Hi all, this is Physics GCSE core questions. If you want more videos, subscribe this channel. I will share some more questions. First one equation is given. Distance traveled is equal to average speed into time. Acceleration is change in velocity divided by time taken. That is v minus u divided by t. Force is equal to ma, mass into acceleration. Weight is equal to mg, mass into gravitational field strength. Momentum, mass into velocity, that is m into v. Then change in gravitational potential energy is equal to mass into gravitational field strength into change in vertical height, mgh. Kinetic energy, half into mass into speed square, velocity v square. Efficiency, wave speed, frequency into wavelength, lambda. Next equation, wave speed is equal to distance divided by time. Work done is equal to force into distance. Power equal to work done divided by time taken. Moment of a force is equal to force into distance normal to the direction of the force. Energy transferred is equal to Q times V. Next one, charge is equal to current into time. Potential difference is equal to current into resistance. Current is I, resistance is R. Power is equal to energy transferred by time. Electric power is equal to current into a potential difference. Electric power is equal to current squared, I squared times R. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Force is equal to K times H. Then pressure is equal to force divided by area. Then next one, standard unit and symbol. Distance, we know that it is meter. Mass, kilogram. Time, seconds. Temperature, Kelvin. K. Frequency, hertz. Force, Newton. Energy, joule. Power, watt. Electric charge, Pascal. Pressure, Pascal. Electric charge, Coulomb. Electric potential difference, volt. Electric resistance, ohm. Magnetic flux density, Tesla. Giga 10 raised to 9, mega 10 raised to 6, kilo 10 raised to 3, centi 10 raised to minus 2, milli 10 raised to minus 3, micro 10 raised to minus 6. nano 10 raised to minus 9. If you want to convert minute into hours, divided by 60, minute into seconds, multiplied by 60. If you convert smaller unit to larger unit, you have to divide it. And if you convert larger unit to smaller unit, multiply it. Next one, whether it is a scalar quantity or vector quantity. Displacement vector, distance scalar, speed scalar SS, velocity vector VV, acceleration vector AV, force vector FV, weight vector MS, Microsoft, mass scalar, momentum vector mom V, ES, energy scalar, speed, it is distance by time, so it is meter per second, time second, distance meter, velocity meter per second, velocity and speed both are meter per second, displacement and distance both are meter, then the shape of the graph. If it is time, distance time graph, it is straight diagonal line. When the object is traveling, when the object is stationary, it is a horizontal straight line. When the object is accelerating, it is a curved line. Unit of acceleration, meter per second square. Velocity time graph. When object is traveling in a constant velocity, it is horizontal straight. When it is stationary, it is straight horizontal line. When it is acceleration, straight diagonal line going up. If it is decelerating, accelerating, going up, decelerating, going down. What is acceleration due to gravity on Earth? That is 10 meter per second square. What equipment can be used to experimentally find the speed of a moving object? You can time it with a stopwatch over a set distance, but this will be subject to the human. Estimate the acceleration of these: ordinary car, supercar, person on a bicycle, a roller coaster. What is a free body diagram used to show? What are the forces measured in Newton? GCCയുടെ ഇനിയും കൂടുതൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഫിസിക്സിൻ്റെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇപ്പോൾ കൂടുതൽ എല്ലാ സബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ ഇടുന്നുണ്ട്. മാത്സ്, ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്, സയൻസ്, പിന്നെ ഹിസ്റ്ററി അതൊക്കെ ഇടുന്നുണ്ട്. വീഡിയോ കാണുകയല്ല. How do you calculate the resultant force? What do resultant force change? Okay. Okay, bye. Thank you.